how come the B9 has front and rear sway bar upgrade, but the B8 only had the rear? Well, the B9 we have both. We have just the rear upgrade, and then we have the front and rear. And so years ago, when we first started doing sway bars, we tested rear bars and front bars. And at the time, we felt that the car handled the best, was fastest around corners with the stock front sway bar. Making the front sway bar thicker and bigger helped reduce the body roll more, but it didn't make the car actually give the car the handling dynamic that we were going for, which is more towards rear oversteer bias. So for years, we've only had the rear bar for the B8. By the time we did the B9, we did the rear bar, and then we did the front and rear bar set for people that were mostly concerned with driving under the limits of traction and who are looking just for a nice low body roll responsive steering. So we have actually gone back and we are working on a front bar for the B8. We're optimizing it to pair nicely with the rear one. It will increase oversteer. It will not be as bad as factory, but it will increase oversteer. So if you've been running just the rear bar and you put our front bar on, the first thing you'll notice is you have less body roll, but the car will have some of the push back that's disappeared from just the rear bar upgrade. Right. Remember, we've been in business for almost 20 years, and there's stuff that we did 15 years ago that we don't do anymore. Like we haven't done in years, and we're always learning and evolving and evaluating. So I think sometimes our fear is, people are like, aha, you did something differently 8 years ago, and now you're doing it differently. So you've been wrong for 8 years. Like, no, we're evolving and modifying the way we do things. We still offer rear bars by themselves, but we have been getting feedback from people that they would like a front bar setup, and for a lot of people, simply flatter cornering is more important than getting more oversteer. So we've made the adjustments, and you've seen the feedback out there too.
Yeah, we obviously want to serve whatever you guys are looking for. We have our idea of what we feel is the best, and we keep that involved in anything that we develop and make. However, if the community really does speak out looking for something, we're going to put our spin and best take on it.
Like when people said we need balls to hang off our rear bumper, we made balls. And they're in stock, ready to ship. They are. I don't know. Are they on sale?
They're not on sale. No, they're not on sale.
I guess we have limited
2 sets.
These are limited inventory items, so we don't want to sell out too fast.
Custom order.
No, they're in stock.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
We got balls on the shelf. Yeah.
So you got nuts on the cable there too.
I got some decent nuts. That's right.